I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. I love the bag this month. They started doing these bags instead of the boxes or like the little zipper makeup bags, and I actually totes love this. It's like this stripy corduroy velour. It looks like a little bag of magic tricks or something. I don't know, but I love it. They are doing the you choose 3 of the items and then they show you which 2 they have assigned you. So the 2 that they sent me are the Avant Glycolic Proline, it's too many words. What the heck is this? Avant Skincare Discovery Edit Glycolic Acid Rejuvenating Face Exfoliator. I don't like this at all. It's very perfumey. A little bit goes a long way. It has those little micro scrubbies that feel like glass. You get those in a lot of microdermabrasion ones, and those are not my favorite type of scrubby. Plus the actual like sudsy soapy stuff in it is, it almost feels like, you know the viscosity of dishwasher soap where it's hard to rinse off your hands? That's what this felt like, and the smell was so strong and it didn't even smell good. It was like really old lady perfumey kind of a thing, so I did not like that. The other item was this TRÈSTIQUE bronzing stick. I've gotten things from TRÈSTIQUE before, little eyeshadow pencils, lip pencils, so I do like this brand. I always find these sort of fun and cute and kitschy. It looks like a little crayon. So this one is a big fat bronzing stick, and I used this today. I did some contour around my nose and my cheeks. I actually really like this, way more than I thought I would. I don't even usually contour that often because I feel like my face is pretty angular on its own, and you know, whatevs. But I don't know, I like the way that it turned out. It also has this little brush on the other side, so I did use it with my fingers, just, you know, smudging it out with my fingers because I didn't realize there was a brush the first time I used it. And it blends really easily, just blends so nicely. I mean, it's very easy to use. And then you've got this wonderful dense little kabuki brush on the end built in here. And I used this part of it today to smudge out my contour, and it just works really, really well. I don't know, I'm really impressed with this. I like it quite a lot. The only thing about it is that, well, let's see, how much does it say is in here? 0.21 ounces. I never know how much that means, but it doesn't seem to like wind up or anything. I don't think you can. No, there's a brush in the way. How would you push it? So there's not, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of actual makeup in here. Like, I feel like that's gonna go pretty quickly. So that would be my only downside. Okay, so for the 3 items that I chose, this one is a coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E from SOAPBOX. And it's, you know, it's a hair mist like you would spray on an oil kind of a thing, and it does smell coconutty, very artificial coconutty. I've used it in my hair a couple of times, both dry and wet, and I like it. You know, it does kind of give you a little bit of that oil, you know, hair oil kind of a thing, which I've been liking lately, and the smell of it is really nice. Also, the smell seems to last a really long time. I sprayed it on yesterday right after I got it, and even right before I took a shower today, my hair still had that coconutty smell to it. It's almost like a candy coconut smell. This is a little $1 billion brow pomade in the color Taupe, and it came with the tiniest little brush. I have this in my eyebrows today. I really like this. The color seems okay. I thought it was gonna be too dark, and I certainly, you know, could pile this on to get some wicked eyebrows, but you know, just using it lightly, it does blend really easily. It seems to go on really nicely. The teeny tiny little brush is actually a nice brush. You know, this would make a great little travel set. So I've been liking this, and it seems to stay put. It does a good job. It's good, it's nice, I like it. This is a Smith & Cult nail polish, and I do not like this at all. I have it on my nails right now, and I like the color. The color is beautiful, this wonderful, dark, vampy, purpley burgundy color. I actually got a different nail polish from them a while back, like a year ago, and I hated that one, and I guess I forgot. And so when I said that I wanted this one, I wasn't thinking, oh, that's right, I remember that brand. But as soon as I got it out of my bag and I pulled the top off, I was like, oh, I remember this brand. So you have to pull the top off. This is just decoration, which I think is dumb. You have a teeny tiny little knob here. The brush is also very small, and you know, just like not a very big brush. So I don't like the packaging. Plus the actual nail polish just goes on streaky and terribly. I have 2 coats on and it's still super streaky. Plus, you know, all I've done today is like wash my hair and it's already chipping. So this nail polish sucks. Don't ever get Smith & Cult, it's the worst. That's my bag. So I got, you know, like 2 things that I like and a couple things that I don't like. You know, that's kind of the way IPSY is, right? So tell me what you guys got in your bags this month. How do you feel about it? How are you feeling about the choosing your items? I feel like the selection isn't great. Like, you know, I looked at them and went, well, I don't want any of these things, you know? And so I ended up with some things that are fine, they're okay, but I wish I had a better selection, honestly. Anyway, let me know what you guys got, how you feeling about things, how you doing in general. I always read the comments and I love hearing from you. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!